right, let's dive into another deep dive. Today we're looking at $5friday.com.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, so it's off $5friday.com. It's this site that offers marketing and software tools for $5.
$5.
$5.
Wow.
Plus, they've got these weekly giveaways that are completely free to enter.
Free to ent?
Free to enter.
Okay.
And the best part, Mega Friday deals. Like, get this, with discounts over 92% off.
92%.
92. We've got a document here with some website stats and ownership info to help us, break it down.
Okay, yeah. Let's unpack that. What stands out to me is that the platform just launched in August 2024.
This year.
Yeah, this year. And even though it's brand new, it's already got decent traffic. Over 1,000 monthly visitors, over 500 unique visitors.
So word is getting out.
It is.
Word's getting out.
It seems like they're hitting like a real need. Because everyone needs marketing and software tools these days.
Totally.
But the cost is insane, $5. That makes it accessible to like anyone. Exactly. And if you look at the website stats, you can see that. Low bounce rate, people are spending like 2 to 5 minutes on average per session. They're finding what they want and they're sticking around.
Yeah, they're digging in. Okay, so we've got these crazy deals, but who's the brains behind it all? Tell me about Frank Andres.
Frank Andres, he's the owner. He runs $5friday.com through his company Message Magic Media Inc., based in Ontario, Canada.
Okay.
And he's described as, well, a leader, a coach, online entrepreneur, all about helping others succeed.
I've heard, like through the grapevine, that he's a pretty big deal in the affiliate marketing world.
Oh, yeah, definitely. He's got a really solid reputation in affiliate marketing. Known for being trustworthy, he gets great customer reviews.
So that trust kind of carries over to $5friday.com, right?
Absolutely. I mean, it gives people confidence. They know they can trust the platform, trust the deals.
Yeah, trust is everything online.
It really is, especially when money's involved. And, sensitive information.
Makes sense. So Frank's rep is a major plus for $5friday.com.
Definitely a plus.
But we can't forget about those weekly giveaways.
Oh.
Can you tell me about those?
Well, the prizes, they're a bit of a mystery, but we know they're free to enter. 100% free.
Completely free.
Yeah. And considering they focus on marketing and software tools, it's probably safe to say the prizes will be related to that,
Okay, so like software subscriptions.
Yeah.
Maybe online courses.
Yeah.
Consulting services.
Right. It's a smart way to keep people engaged and build some buzz around the platform.
It's like, come for the deals.
Stay for the chance to win something awesome.
Yeah, especially with those Mega Friday deals offering over 92% off.
Oh, yeah.
There's like a lot to be excited about. What's the thought process behind such huge discounts, though?
That's where it gets really interesting, right? I mean, offering discounts that deep, that points to a pretty unique business model.
Yeah.
It could be like a loss leader strategy, to get a massive customer base really quickly. Or maybe they're working with tiny margins and relying on huge volume to, make a profit.
Right.
Either way, it's bold. And it's definitely got people talking.
Yeah, for sure. It's disruptive. But then there's the affiliate program, too. 50% commission. That's pretty generous, no?
Very generous. That high commission tells me they're serious about getting partners on board and expanding their reach fast.
This is a win-win.
Definitely. Affiliates can earn good money, and $5friday.com gets more visibility, a wider customer base.
They're building a community, not just a business.
That's a good way to put it.
And speaking of community, they've got a social media presence, too, right?
Oh, yeah. They're on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, even Rumble.
Wow.
That's another way they're engaging with people, letting users connect, share what they think, get a feel for the $5friday.com community.
They're casting a wide net.
They are.
Trying to reach as many people as possible.
Seems like it.
So we've got Frank Andres, the trustworthy leader. Amazing deals, including those crazy Mega Friday discounts, free weekly giveaways,
Don't forget those.
and a thriving online community.
Yeah.
What's not to like?
Well, that's what we're here to find out.
Right. You've got to look beyond the surface.
Always a good idea.
So let's do that. Let's dive into what people are saying about $5friday.com and Frank Andres.
Let's do it. Yeah, those customer reviews. I noticed something. Lots of people talking about value for money. Seems like they're impressed with the quality of the tools for such a low price.
Interesting. So it's not just cheap tools, it's good tools that happen to be cheap.
Right, exactly. There's a difference.
Big difference.
Huge. And, Frank's whole thing about helping others succeed, that really shows up in the reviews.
I bet.
Yeah, people talk about his honesty, how transparent he is. Like, he's willing to go above and beyond to make sure his customers are happy.
It's refreshing, honestly. The online marketing world can be pretty ruthless.
No kidding.
But he's built a business on genuine support.
And value. People can feel that.
Yeah, it's like he's saying, hey, I've been there. I want to give you what you need to reach your goals.
Exactly. And that resonates,
It does.
It builds trust, loyalty, which are, essential for any business.
Especially online.
Especially online, yeah.
Okay, so amazing deals, Frank's reputation, positive reviews. But those Mega Friday deals.
Those are wild, right?
92% off. What kinds of tools are we even talking about at that price?
That's the mystery, right?
Yeah.
We don't know exactly what'll be in the Mega Friday deals, but we can make some guesses. Look at what they offer normally on $5friday.com.
Oh, yeah.
Email marketing software, social media management tools, things like that, website builders, maybe even graphic design programs, all that stuff you need to, build a presence online.
Wow. That's like a whole toolkit for practically nothing. It makes you wonder, though, is it even sustainable? Can they really offer these massive discounts and stay afloat?
That's the question, isn't it? It definitely shakes things up, the way we think about pricing, about access, but maybe Frank's found a way. Yeah.
Maybe it's partnerships, smart cost cutting. Or maybe he just really believes that price shouldn't be a barrier to good tools.
That's a nice thought.
It is.
It's definitely turning heads.
Oh, yeah.
Speaking of shaking things up, that 50% commission affiliate program, how's that work?
Probably pretty standard. You sign up, you get your referral link, and every time someone buys through your link, you earn commission.
Makes sense.
Great opportunity, really. If you've got a website, an audience, you can earn a decent income promoting a platform you believe in.
Like, you get rewarded for sharing something you love.
Exactly.
Then with 50% commission, that could be pretty lucrative.
For sure. But remember, affiliate marketing takes work. You need a strategy.
Yeah.
And you got to actually love what you're promoting.
Yeah, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme.
Nope, not at all.
But it's a good tool to have in your belt.
Definitely.
Okay, so amazing deals, reputable guy running things, great customer reviews, mind-blowing Mega Friday deals, generous affiliate program. What else should our listeners know about $5friday.com? We can't forget the community aspect. They're really active on social media, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, even Rumble. They're trying to connect with people.
Yeah, build that engagement.
Exactly. It's a chance for users to talk to each other, share their experiences, Get a sense of what $5friday.com is all about.
It's like they're building a network, a supportive space for learning and growth. And with Frank Andrews leading the charge, it feels genuine.
Absolutely. It's a platform that's doing things differently, affordable tools, empowering entrepreneurs, a sense of community. And they're challenging how we think about price and access. It's a pretty compelling story.
Yeah, and it's just getting started. But before we get too carried away with all the possibilities, let's take a step back. Think about what this means for the future of $5friday.com.
Good point. They've come out strong with big goals, but can they keep it up? Can this model of, radical affordability last?
Yeah, that's the big question. Can they keep offering so much for so little? What do you think?
Well, it's definitely an interesting case. They're really challenging how we think about pricing online for these tools. Only time will tell if it works long term.
Makes you think, what kind of challenges might they run into down the line?
Well, one thing could be keeping the quality up while the prices stay low.
Yeah, makes sense.
Another could be just handling the growth. If they expand too fast, things can slip. Customer service might suffer.
Right. It's like finding that balance. But what if this is just the start?
Oh.
What if this whole $5friday.com thing kicks off a trend? Suddenly, everyone's offering affordable online tools and resources.
That would be something. Imagine if cost wasn't such a barrier anymore.
Right, for entrepreneurs, for creators, it'll level the playing field.
Exactly. Maybe $5friday.com is the start of something big, a more accessible, equitable digital world.
Wow, it's definitely a story to watch. Speaking of which, we've got links to their website and socials.
Definitely check those out.
Yeah, go explore the platform. See if $5friday.com is a good fit for you.
And don't forget to read those customer reviews. There's a lot of insight there. Really helps you decide if it's right for you.
Good point. And always remember, the online world is always changing. There's always something new popping up.
New platforms, new ideas, Just gotta stay curious, keep learning. It's about finding what works for you, what helps you reach your goals.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Well, that wraps up our deep dive into $5friday.com. We looked at what they offer, who's behind it, and what it all might mean in the long run.
It's been fascinating, but now it's up to you. Go explore, see what you think.
Until next time, happy diving.